valuation which I produced.
Yes. What is the valuation?
4/5/2019. That value of the property is 1 crore 36 lakh.
1 crore
36 lakh.
valuation of the property.
Houdu.
When was it?
Milord, on dated Milord 4/5/2019. I quoted in copy.
4/5/2019.
2019.
What was the loan amount?
Loan amount, Milord, as of now, Milord, it is 19
No. As on the date, sir.
Milord, 1 crore odd we have sanctioned the loan.
When did, what is the amount of
19.
loan sanctioned?
2019, I sanctioned the loan. 1 minute.
Of?
Milord, on dated, the value 1 day before valuation. 4/5/2019.
Hey, amount kelta ideni. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ sir. What is the amount of loan sanctioned?
Milord, document number 2.
I want the figure, sir.
Milord, it is 97 lakh.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್. Whether your loan was beyond the valuation ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಕ್ಕೆ. 97 lakhs was the finance. Value of the property 1 crore 36 lakhs.
With the concerns of the Milord, borrower, Milord, I take an evaluation which I produce right now. Milord, subsequently, Milord, on 6/6/2023, one more valuation I had taken.
Yeah.
For a value of rupees 1 crore 5 lakh.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Before putting the auction, the property, Milord, I took one more valuation, that is on Milord 5/7/2024. That is Milord 1 crore 35 lakh 76,000.
You have sold the property at
2 crore 92 lakh.
292.
ಹೌದು. There are multiple bidders.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಬಿಡ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ರು. We, Milord, in fact, we fixed a valuation for Milord 1 crore 35 lakhs.
What was the amount in due?
Milord 97 lakh.
Amount in due.
ಹೌದು, 97 ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಮಿಕ್ಕಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Not that, Milord, there's so much unfair before this honorable, I'll just point out. Milord, when the matter came before the first, before this honorable court, I made a submission, Milord, sale took place. Confirmation, my lord said, they said that we are going to pay the entire money, we are going to file an affidavit. This honorable, my lord shown certain indulgence and not to issue the sale certificate. They are not filed affidavit. They come up with the affidavit before this valuation before this honorable court. Milord, kindly come to Milord, the document which produced before this honorable court today at Milord page number 24.
No, where have I recorded that?
24.
They are willing to pay the entire amount?
Coordinate bench, Milord.
Where is the date?
Date yadu? First interim order dina. Subsequent to that also is interim order notice. Respond bank not sale certificate. Already issued of as of today. Milord, they made a submission, Milord, as of today.
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅದು?
It
has been recorded.
Where, which date order?
Affidavit petition.
Affidavit ಅಲ್ಲ, order date ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
Kindly see the order, Milord, on 29/10 la.
29.
They gave me a copy of the affidavit.
They gave me the affidavit.
Where is the order saying that they are going
It
to
may be
clear?
not recorded, Milord. In fact, they made a submission before this. It may be not. Milord, I'll just point out, Milord, one document before this honorable court. Milord, kindly see the valuation report they produced before this honorable court. At Milord, page number 30th, page number, Milord, 24. The valuation dated 7/8/2024.
All right. Now, what is the total due ಈಗ?
90 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇದೆ. That is not the
ಅಲ್ಲ,
matter.
ಈಗ ಅವರು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
As of today, Milord, is
Entire sale consideration.
6,37 ಅಲ್ಲ?
No, 90 something.
89,81,430. Not only that, Milord, there's so
You will
much
pay the
unfair.
entire amount?
I am ready to pay that amount.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಚೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. They're unfair before this.
Don't worry about valuation.
Milord, kindly see that position which I already taken much before, Milord, the valuation, Milord, drawn.
Well,
I took the position of how
You
they, Milord,
took possession, sir. ಈಗ sale
Milord, I took a position of the property on 30/7/2024.
All right.
The valuation on Milord 7. Who visited the Milord value or Milord visited the property?
Sir, I'm not on that. What is the amount in due? 2 crore 11 lakhs you have sold. Now 92 lakhs.
2 crore
But
92
amount in due was 97 lakhs.
ಹೌದು.
He'll give it.
Milord, that submission he would have made, Milord, I would have not opposed. That last submission of Milord, he made a submission. I have a valuation of 5 crore. Milord, he produced before this honorable court without seal, signature, value or name, nothing.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ
And
ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
valuation.
We'll ask him to get everything.
Every borrower, Milord, after selling, it is not in dispute, Milord. First time I sold a property. Earlier also I put the property for auction, Milord. Nobody came forward. No, Milord, after selling the property, they're coming and saying, Milord, I'm buying worth property worth 5 crore.
ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಯಾವ NP ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವತ್ತು?
2013, 2023.
2023 ತಾ?
ಹೌದು, 6/5/2023.
97 lakhs you will pay at one stroke?
I'm ready to pay your mention. In the last date also, I never put up the valuation. I only made a mention.
All right. You will pay the entire amount?
I'm ready to pay the entire amount. My only request is, once it is sent to mediation, I will try my attempt. If one-time settlement option is done for less than it. And that is my only request. I have sent them a mail also. They replied to me saying that you get the stay vacated in the High Court, come back, then we will do it.
No, it's not so,
How
my
is
lord.
it possible?
24/9/2024.
ಈಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಒಂದು mediation try ಮಾಡಿ.
My lord, in fact, my lord, my auction purchase is there and he paid 25% of the money he wanted to.
ಈಗ 25% ತಾನೆ auction purchase ಎಷ್ಟು
25%
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. My lord, they are so much unfair before the honorable
Auction
court and now
purchaser ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
25% they paid. And my lord, I am not opposed, my lord, in respect, my lord, saving the property. They made a submission before this honorable court saying that I have a valuation of 5 crore. Kindly see the valuation, my lord, kindly.
They will, if you want me to take that to its logical conclusion, I will take it, no problem.
My
ಈಗ
submission, my lord, they are
I'll
unfair.
get all the valuation, whatever SBI has done, and I will issue a notice to SBI and who is this valuer in the SBI and do it. If you want to take it to its logical conclusion, I will do it. But 97 lakhs he is going to pay.
It may be in time, my lord, my only.
Time bound, everything time bound.
24/9/2024.
And solation to the auction purchaser.
24/9/2024, they made a same submission. My lord, within 1 week, my lord, that day, my lord,
Now you need, that was not before me, sir. If before the coordinate bench, I will grant him time, yes time ಬೇಕು.
4 months time.
Ah.
3 months at least.
Ah.
because it is-
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Your lordship.
I am not able to hear the,
Maybe this exercise could be done, your lordship.
no exercise, only payment.
Also, maybe it could be sent for a mediation, I'll try for a one-time settlement option. If not, I can undertake.
Lord, kindly come to page number 27, the valuation which they produced before this honorable
Why
court.
are you hinging on a valuation? Leave it.
But they are unfair before this honorable court. They wanted to mislead this honorable court and take some order.
Yeah, not before me, sir.
Alla, this valuation, my lord, produced before this, my lord.
ಈಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ. If you want, I will get everything.
Your lordship, he is ready to pay it in 45 days.
Ah, please.
It is also, my lord.
Why are you
On
worried, sir?
24/9/2024, my lord, already, my lord, 5 months is over.
Why you
From the
promised
date
the auction purchaser
I am not,
something,
my
is
lord.
it? Then why are you worried?
First day itself, my lord, I need my money. My lord, they came with the various application as well as, my lord.
Hey, don't get touchy about the valuation, sir. If you want, I will get everything from the SBI.
My lord, they would have
I
paid
will
before this
straight
honorable-
away issue notice to the council of the SBI and get every document here. That's not an issue.
Instead of 45 days, my lord, within 30 days, because my auction purchase is taking back the money, my lord, I am not in a position to sell it.
Auction purchaser solation ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. 10% solation to the auction purchaser. Other no choice. You can't. Yes, council.
Every day, my lord,
Mr.
he's going to
Counsel,
police station, he's lodging a complaint.
You
against
need
my
not
officer.
ask the client. I am going to pass an order. If you want set, solatium.
One way, my lord, he's taking.
Don't
an order.
ask the clients here.
My lord, one way, my lord, he's taking order from this honorable court. Second way, my lord, he's filing the police complaint before the various police stations, my lord, against my
Don't
officers.
worry. That will see. We'll direct him.
But this matter should
We'll
be
direct
taken
all.
seriously.
Your egos are hurt now because
Not egos, my
complaint
lord,
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
they filed an valuation, my lord, it is no seal, nothing. That too, my lord, kindly see the valuation with their, my
ಈಗ
lord.
ತರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾ ಎಲ್ಲ?
My
ಆ
lord,
valuer
within-
ಯಾರು ಅಂತ
my
ನೋಡಿ
only
ತರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾ?
intelligence, my lord, my auction purchase is ready with the money. Within 30 days, if they wanted to save the property, already this honorable court given 5 months time. They wanted to save the property, my lord.
Now
they-
I will give him time till 2nd June. That will be 6 weeks. If he does not clear the entire amount along with solatium, on that day you shall issue sale certificate and
Matter
no
may be
indulgence will be
My
shown.
lord, matter may be disposed on that direction.
No disposal. I'll put it on January 3rd, June 3rd.
Your lordship, hearing internally the bank has something else which has happened. I don't know.
That's all right. Every borrower will project that only. Don't get into that. You want me to dispose it? I'll dispose it by this.
No, your lordship, maybe check this again.
My lord, they're not going to pay. Already, my lord, it is around 6 months they dragged. My lord,
No more dragging, sir.
Your lordship, in reality, I have never dragged the matter.
That's all right. Don't, you, both of you, each other, don't get touchy about the submission.
it's not so, my lord, they filed a valuation.
Borrower and the bank need not get
No, my lord,
touchy.
it's not so, my lord, they filed, my lord, first day they.
ಈಗ ನೀವ್ಯಾಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ?
What has happened?
And what has happened?
Your lordship,
Why do you pinch the bank on the wrong nerve?
your lordship, what
Yes.
has happened is bank, they gave me the keys of the property, they had allowed me to go and get the investigation done on the property, inspection done.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
They lock it.
you intimidate the bank gets intimidated like this. If the petitioner is before this court, calling in question a sale notice dated 23/8/2024, it transpires that the coordinate bench of this court had granted an interim order of stay of issuance of a sale certificate in favor of the auction purchaser in the auction purchaser. In the teeth of the said interim order, it transpires that the auction purchaser has only deposited 25% of the auction price and a sale certificate is not issued in his favor. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that if an opportunity is granted, he would pay the entire amount that was in due as on the date of auction and solatium to the adequate solatium to the auction purchaser who has deposited 25% of the amount. The learned counsel for the banks, which Vignesh Shetty submits that as on the date of the auction, the amount in due was 97 lakhs.
89,83,413.
89 lakh 83,413.
As on 39.
413 and 413. Therefore, the petitioner shall, in the next 6 weeks, i.e. on or before June the 2nd, 2025, deposit the entire amount in due as observed herein above, along with 10% solatium to the auction purchaser.
And my interest from 39,024 to
All right. Auction purchaser and all other incidentals, all other legally tenable incidentals by the bank, demanded by the bank. In the event the petitioner would not deposit the entire amount as is directed early, as is observed herein above, on or before June the 2nd, 2025, the petition, not only the interim protection or interim order subsisting would get vacated, the petition itself would be dismissed. It would be dismissed, and it would not come in the way of the bank to issue a sale certificate in favor of the auction purchaser. In the auction purchaser on the 3rd of June 2025. List the matter on 4th of June 2025.
Who is that auction purchaser? The
No, no.
details
They will
of-
give you the details of the auction
Right,
purchaser
Maybe recorded
shall be
matter I handed
furnished to the petitioner forthwith.
I handed